Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. It is December 31st when I'm filming this. The year's over. It's nuts. Plans for tonight are to stay home and chill, which I'm fine with. I don't want to go out and interact with other people and germs and shit, and no thank you. I'm gonna make a video after this talking about like 2022 and goals and stuff, so look for that. Actually, that'll probably be out before this. Been slacking on making these videos. My husband has been home all week and I just haven't been like working. I've been like going to the office, but I haven't been like working like YouTube wise. So I am a slacker. It's okay. That's the perks of owning your own business or businesses. You can work when you wanna and when you don't wanna. First question. Hey Vanessa, love your videos. Thanks for making them. I have two questions. Have you ever bought codes from Jomar? I tried to use your code on their site and it didn't work. I'll call them definitely tomorrow. Order went through without the code discount. Okay, so I have not purchased coats from Jomar. I've purchased quite a few boxes from Jomar, and honestly, I'm just done for the time being. I don't like just... This is Nolan. I don't like just sitting around waiting for inventory because it literally takes like months after you order from them, unless you buy one of their like pre-packaged boxes. But I feel like those aren't as good as the other boxes. But anyway, yeah, I just don't like sitting around waiting for inventory because time is money. When I buy something, I want it listed right away. For instance, when we went sourcing yesterday, I bought 39 or 49 things and everything was listed by 9 o'clock last night. We had gone at, we got home at like 12:30 and I washed everything, photographed, listed everything. Everything was up by 9 or 9:30 at night. I like shit up and listed. I don't like sitting around waiting. I have gotten a few good boxes from them. So, you know, if you're not in a rush to get inventory, if you don't mind waiting a month or two, then yeah, definitely order from them. I will order from them again in the future. I just don't know when. As far as my discount code not working, it should work. I will double check it and link it down below. It's Vanessa Rad or Vadis Rad. I don't even remember. I have to double check, but I will put it down below. And if it doesn't work, I'll contact Jomar and I'll try to figure out why. Next question. Hey Vanessa, Poshmark question. I know you cross list. Have you had any issues recently with your new listings not showing up as just in when you filter your closet by just in? When I cross list items from Mercari to Poshmark, then I filter my closet by just in, the new items don't show up. I have not. So when I cross list, it's from Poshmark to Mercari. Like I put everything on Poshmark first and then I cross list to Mercari. You're going from Mercari to Poshmark. I don't know if that makes a difference. I don't know. I honestly don't know the answer to that question. It's never happened to me. If that has happened to you, comment down below and help this person out. Maybe it's an issue with the cross-listing service that you're using. Perhaps, maybe. Again, you're going from Mercari to Poshmark, not from Poshmark to Mercari. So yeah, I don't know. I'm sorry. Since we're talking about cross-listing, I get this question so often and I've answered it in a lot of videos. Yes, I do cross-list and I do use a cross-listing service. I was using Vendoo for a little while and then I switched to List Perfectly. I'm honestly thinking about switching back to Vendoo. The reason why I switched from Vendoo to List Perfectly in the first place was because Vendoo had like so many issues. Like, you know, you pay monthly for it and I would go like 5, 6, 7 days, sometimes a month where I wasn't able to cross list from like Poshmark to Mercari. Like one marketplace would have an issue. And I feel like actually Mercari was always the one that had an issue. So that was super fucking annoying because it's like I'm paying for this and I can't do it. So yes, that's the reason why I switched to List Perfectly, but List Perfectly I feel like is more time consuming. Everything that I sourced yesterday, I just listed on Poshmark. I haven't cross listed to Mercari. So that's one of the things I have to do today is cross list. I think it's 39 things that I got. So 39 things from Poshmark to Mercari. When you do that through List Perfectly, it literally opens 39 different browsers and you have to go to each one. Like it's really fucking annoying and I don't know why they need to fix that. But yeah, that one thing is just so annoying to me. It's makes me want to go back to Vendoo. I know there are other cross-listing services. Prime Lister is an example. They're literally in my emails like every week saying, hey, do you want to do a sponsored video for us? And I'm just like, I've answered them so many times. Really hate it when companies don't keep track of who they contact. Do you know how many times, like over the years that I've been on YouTube, friggin' 12, 13, 14 years. How many years have I been on this website? Since 2006. So however many years that is. Do you know how many emails I've gotten from companies and I've worked with them before, and then they email me like 3 years later and they're like, hey, do you want to work with us? It's like, hey, I worked with you guys like years ago. You don't keep track of, you know, who you send shit to. Or like they'll email me and I'll say, hey, not interested. And then they'll email me like a week later and it's like, oh my gosh, they don't keep track. And it's annoying, super annoying. It's really annoying. And yeah, these companies just need better like fucking marketing PR people. Just be organized. Just keep track of who you email. My favorite though is when they're like, I love your YouTube channel. I've watched all of your content. It's like, okay, I make beauty and like fashion content. They want me to promote like a fucking gardening tool. It's like, oh yeah, that's relevant. That is very relevant to my shit. Comment down below and let me know if that's a video you want to see, because it could be juicy. It could be juicy. I have no issue like calling out companies. Okay, and last question, because I've rambled so much. Hi Vanessa, love your videos. I feel like all these comments start out with that. Hi Vanessa, love your videos. Hey Vanessa, love your videos, which I totally appreciate. I love that you guys love my videos. Thank you. Person says, are there any brands that you aren't going to pick up in the new year? Well, Maria, it's funny that you asked that question, because after this video, I'm actually filming a video talking about brands that I'm not going to pick up in 2022. So I'll give you a little hint. One of the brands is, hold on, I got a list on my phone. Why can't I think? Oh, Free People. That's one of the brands that I'm not going to pick up in the new year. But yeah, that video actually will probably be up before this one, so I'll link it down below. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.